Hey guys, what's up? So today I just repaired a Nintendo DS Lite. Um, the problem that was with it was that the top screen didn't work, and I replaced the outer shell with a black shell from another DS that I had. And I was wondering if y'all would like to see me do stuff like this. So I didn't put the speakers in because it was requested that I didn't, and I didn't want to burn the ribbon cable as this was my first repair on the Nintendo DS Lite, or any Nintendo products for that matter, and I'm not yet very good with my soldering iron. So as you can see, the A button works, the pad works. I'll show you. Oh, actually, you've seen that the A and B button works. It moves sideways and it moves up and down. I can't show you those yet. Click on this, clicks, okay. I'll show you start to pause it, and I pause it. I can't show you select on this one, but I can show you that the right button works, because when I press it, he jumps. And when I press the left button, he should... hold on, let me get a grip on the left button. He does that. That's along with the X button. I have to use one hand to control the phone that I am recording on. But I was sort of just wondering if y'all would rather see me do stuff like repairs when I can. Here, I'll show you that let's see, start and select. Can't really show you the Y or X button here either. But if y'all really want to see the Y and X button, then stick around. If not, then just comment if you would like to see me do more repair videos. Okay, this shows you that the Y button works, and that shows you that the X button works. Now, if you sticked around this long, I'm going to plug in a Game Boy game into it. As I said, there's no sound, but if you were to hook it up to an external speaker, you would get sound. But as you can see, I have Naruto in the Game Boy slot. As you can see, it's been beaten 3 different times. And it works. So yeah, if you stuck around this long, then tell me if you think that I should play... I mean, not play, play games, or if you think that I should show y'all repairs. Or if you want to, comment if I should do both. Bye.